Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. This week I want to share with you a very simple tutorial on how to make a bag strap. So this pattern is just for bag straps, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and give my video a big thumbs up. So I started with a slip knot. Now I'm going to do a number of chain as long as you want. You can customize this as long as you want. So I just did a few numbers of chain for this tutorial, so you can chain as many as you want based on your preference. So now after getting the numbers of chain, I'm going to do one more chain, and that will be like a turning chain. Then I'm going to go into the back bum here. I go into the first stitch, the back bum, and I'm going to do one single crochet. So now once I've done the single crochet, now I'm going to go into the last part of the single crochet, and I'm going to go into the next stitch, and I'm going to yarn over. That is a half double crochet. So we're just going to keep repeating this. Now we go into the last part of our work, pull up a loop, go into the next stitch, just only the back bum only, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on the hook, then pull through everything. That's a half double crochet stitch. So we're just going to keep repeating this, going back into the last leg of our work, pulling up a loop and going into the next chain and pulling up another loop. So that is how we're just going to keep repeating until we get to the end of this roll. I'm going to meet you at the end. Now I'm doing the last I'm on the last chain, doing my last half double crochet there for this row, and now I'm going to chain 1, turn, and now I'm going to go into just only the back loop and do a slip stitch into every back loop. Every stitch I go into the back loop and do a slip stitch. So now I'm going to do the last slip stitch for this row. I'm going to chain 1 and fasten off, and that is going to be the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give my video a big thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. And this is a back strap pattern. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next one.